I feel like I just seen the sun for the first time. You make my life right.
We're on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
He's on a boat with a Pepsi. Yay! Or
no brakes.
Oh yes. Got all this delicious food.
Yummy.
Yeah, kids eating Cheetos. Hey, that's Klinsman's house.
Yeah, I like that house.
Right up there.
They may have moved out.
Oh yeah, probably moved out though. Sweet. Alright, we're in dangerous water here.
We got some sailors.
Rookies, we got some noobs.
Yes.
Yeah, fortunately Bill is an expert driver and he'll be able
Who's in the
to.
car?
Yeah.
Driver, hybrid.
Look at all these noobs. Okay. This is our sham. We're drinking Santana sham. Yeah, it's so
A
crisp.
little bit of mayonnaise. Only mayonnaise? Mom, Jenny.
He's driving the boat. Yeah, that's right. That's what's up.
Aiden is driving. Are we safe? Are we gonna die? Aiden, if you crash, I'm blaming you. Okay.
See if you can hit that post, Aiden.
Crazy boat. Cannon holes. No, they are cannon holes. We can believe what we want. Yeah.
They're just called portholes.
Nope, they're Kian, come.
Oh, yeah. It is. That's the first part. Are we there too? We are in. With Jack, with Keen Ross.
Fred. Yeah, also on Pearson Sport.
Pearson, yeah, something, yeah.
Lots of crab, lots of lobster.
Oh, and fish. Lots of fish. Another yummy stuff. Oh, shrimp. I love the shrimp. I can force dump the shrimp. Oh, yes, that was awesome.
Here.
Oh, and we got some
Look at this.
lobsters.
You got this? You get this?
Oh, like a ball. This is K-Ross. Go.
I made it.
It's amazing. Pelican.
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 What are you doing there, little pelican?
Oh, yes.
Hey, pelican.
Oh, yes. Shoot. Kayakers, Ferris wheel, and awesome other stuff. It's a sea lion. Oh, look at the little cute sea lion. Who's the cute sea lion? You're the cute sea lion. Yeah, who's the cute sea lion?
Everybody on the same side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's another one.
Oh, who's the cute? Live your life. Hey. Now live your life. Hey. We're coming back into dock. It's good.
Celebrate by opening.
All right. Coming back in.
What if we die?
Yeah, we're parking. This is extremely dangerous.
Everybody drinks.
All right.
Responsible for this one, okay?
All right, sounds good. All right, we just docked and we are about to leave. This is awesome.
We're gonna get off our boat.